Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be painting some side door scoops. What are side door scoops, you say? Let me show you. And there they are. Alright, first of all, I want to thank Vicrez for allowing me to review these side door scoops. Now let me take it to the car and just place them there. I am going to paint them to the color of the car. So we'll be doing that also. Alright, that's where it goes. And this makes that design that the car has to make it pop. Okay, it's gonna make it like 3D style. So, but I am gonna paint it to the exact color of the car so that it can blend in. But you're still gonna see that 3D effect from that scoop. Let me show you closer so you can see. Alright, now that you saw it, now it does come with 3M tape, so everything you need is going to be here. For me, I'm going to paint them. You don't have to, you can install them like this, but I am going to show you how to prepare them. I am going to leave this inner portion of this scoop black, but the rest of the scoop is going to be painted the same color as the car. So let's just prepare them so we can paint them. Alright, first of all, let's tape up the area we don't want paint. Alright, there we go. I did use a fine line tape right in the edge so that I don't get a hard edge for the transition of the black and the color of the car. So it looks good. Alright, after completely covering what I don't want painted, I'm gonna get myself a maroon Scotch-Brite and just sand it down. There you go. Right there, you can see the difference. Completely scuffed. This is still shiny. This is what you need to get. Alright, I got both of my pieces ready. This one I was able to hang, but this one I'm not able to. So I'm just going to hold it and just place it somewhere whenever I spray it. Alright. But first of all, we got to use some wax and grease remover to clean them up. All right, now that the wax and grease remover has been applied, cleaned, everything's ready, you do need to add some adhesion promoter. Okay, so let's apply. I'm gonna apply 2 coats. I'm gonna apply 1 coat, wait about 10 minutes, apply a 2nd coat. We'll be good. All right, there we go. 2 coats of adhesion promoter have been applied, and I waited 10 minutes in between. So time for the sealer. You do have to apply some sort of primer to it. So sealer, it is primer, but it's a non-sandable primer. So that's what I'm going to be applying, some light gray, because the car is grayish. There it is. The sealer has been applied. All you need is 1 coat. I'm just going to wait about 10 minutes for it to dry. Come back, start applying that paint. All right, here's the paint of my car, which is PAE. It's called burnt out gray or garbage can gray. Dodge also calls it smoke show, but it's got several different names. But there it is. Let's just mix it up, start painting. All right, there you go, the first coat. I am going to be applying 3 coats. So let's just wait 10 minutes in between each coat and finish it up. All right, there it is, 3 coats. The 3 coats of a base of color. Now I'm just gonna wait around 15 minutes for it to dry, come back, start applying the clear. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get myself a tack rag. Never, guys, this is a good tip right here. Never apply clear without cleaning it with a tack rag. Why? Because there's mist, there's a residue that would land when you're spraying, and you clean it up first before you trap all that on the bottom. Once you start applying the clear, that's it. Whatever's underneath, it's gonna stay there. So it's a good practice to just tack rag it and have it clean before the clear. And there you go. I applied 2 coats of clear. They're small pieces, so with 2 coats, that'll be enough. But there it is. Now let's just wait 48 hours and install them. Let's fast forward to that. All right, now there it is. This is how it looks. Now the installation is extremely simple. All you gotta do, just put that 3M tape all the way around and put it in the car. All right, now in order to install it, guys, make sure you align it perfectly with the design of the car. Just press it, that's it. Let me put the camera down because I can't do both things, but I'll show it to you right after. There it is. That is how it looks. Now I left the black inside, but it looks awesome. Real nice. And the color matched. The color is exactly the same. Let me show you the other side. There it is. The car's a little dirty, guys, because it's been raining, but it looks good. And this will be it. This will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you want some of these, I'm gonna leave the information in the description. Go ahead and get you some so you can be a little bit different from the other guys. Looks real sharp, real nice. And this will be it for this video. Thank you very much. I want to thank Vicrez for allowing me to review this door scoop. Thank you, Vicrez. And like always, guys, God bless.